Hi, this is a brand new house wired to take a trip activator. It has two mains operated smoke detectors, one on the ceiling above me and one on the ceiling of the bedrooms upstairs. They're connected with a normal 3/4 earth cable. In a normal house, from the last smoke detector to the consumer unit, you would use 2/4 earth. But in this house, it is wired with the 3/4 earth all the way back to the consumer unit. That's because the third cable is used as a signal to activate the trip activator. This is the consumer unit of the house. You can see the trip activator is installed. It flashes once every 5 seconds to tell the householder it is working perfectly. I'm now going to simulate a fire by pressing the test button on the smoke alarm. The trip activator will cut in and stop any potential fire. You can see the trip activator cut in and turn the power off before any fire started, thus saving any damage to the property.